We don't know the ranks of people, and you have to actively protect your eyes. And it all goes back to what? Focus on yourself. Focus on your flaws. Hear everything in the capacity of what? How can I better myself? This is not a don't judge the sin. This is don't pass final judgment on the sinner. We don't lose the status of the sin in Islam. We know what a major sin is. We know what open fahisha is, open wickedness is, and open lewdness is, and it's condemnable. And the Prophet ﷺ indeed said that Allah will forgive all of the sins except for the ones that are boasted about. But be careful when you let your eye wander and come across your brother or sister who you think is deficient in relation to you in one regard, and internally even have a conversation with yourself and think, I'm better than that person. It takes one atom's worth, dear brothers and sisters. One atom's worth. And in order to make sure that that one atom's worth does not settle in the heart, it takes an entire intentionality every single day of focusing on your own sinfulness and your own station with Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala. May Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala forgive our brothers and sisters and forgive us for the sins that are open and the sins that are concealed, for the major and the minor sins.